Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you my new limited edition Maxi6 lunchbox. So this is the first time I'm having a look at it. It came in the mail today. So already we can see there's new packaging. Okay, I'm just showing you the packaging first. Right, this just explains how much cups you can fit in the Maxi6. And then how should I pack my lunchbox? So there's great information on the box already. And I can see here that there's new design of the trays as well. And if I turn it upside down, it's recyclable. I can see that it's BPA free, and it looks like it's dishwasher safe too. So we'll just open it up and have a look. No leaks, no lost lids, and no landfill. I love the new colour on the boxes. Okay, so just before I continue, I'll just show you in here as well. There is some pictures on lunchbox inspiration, how to fill your lunchbox, some great ideas there, which is great. Okay, let's put that aside. Now, I got the Vault, which is the new limited edition colour, which is the black box outer lid with the silver latch. So let's open it up and have a look. Wow, that looks great already. All the sills there. And there is the tray. Now these are the new trays, which has great description on what to put in each section with some little pictures as well. Nice and deep, really lovely and vibrant. Very happy with that. I'll just show you out of here as well. The tray comes out, okay, and in here you can see the emboss lunchbox, right? Dishwasher safe, top rack only, not to microwave, recyclable, and BPA free. Fantastic. Really, really great. So I can't wait to start using this limited edition lunchbox. I love the black colour. I don't know if I want to give it to my children or keep it for myself. So thank you very much.